Good morning, friends. Right now we are at Mandarmani. The sun is above in the sky, so it's just a time to have the sun with the sunrise. But it's now 6:15 around. But you see the way the boats are placed. It is little bit windy, and the boats which are for sailing for the fishes is around. So I'll just try to get some shots with some kind of balance of image. So this is 80-200 lens with D500. So I'll try to capture some moments with the splashes. Look, this is something. Two boats, there's a parallelly boats are placed, and there is one boat in the far distance. So I am trying to grab it with the shutter speed of 125 with aperture 8, which has been shown in the camera. But the main motto of our walk is to capture the morning mood of Mandarmani. So with this gloomy sunrise where sun is actually not visible, but we can see and feel what is around. The seashore is totally at a different scale, and now we try to get some moments, some feeling of the morning sun. Let's follow it. It's quite catchy for the black and white pictures. Already sun is up, but it is not seen because of the mist, weather around, and with the mood of the sea. We are going to explore something with the fishermen and the boat. Look, those boats which are stuck in the sand, they will move with time when the water is up in that side. So we'll try to get some shots through those boats. Excellent lighting, and the way I'm just following the sunrise, and you can see that the boats, it's a serene part of it. The boats, the ocean, and the waves all together is telling its own story. So I'm trying to grab some shot, and it's 400 by f8, and you just see the image which I have captured. The sharpness, the sunrise, the boat itself, and the splashes. So our story, the morning at Mandarmani, is actually depicting something which is attractive to our eyes and which is always a dream for the photographers to carry on with their images. Lot of shades, lot of mystic color in it with the morning sun, and an addition is this fisherman boats which are giving a different feel to it.